Welcome to the most beautiful city in the world, no doubt about that. Paris!
Macarons is a French patisserie that everyone wants to try, and with good reasons. They are very small, they're for everyone in the family, and they're super delicious. You can find a variety of flavors that you will never even imagine. I really suggest you, if you are here in Paris and you see a store, eat any of the 4 we mentioned, to go and try even one. You will not regret it. They're superb. We are in Ladurée, that is just near Place Vendôme, and I'm honestly a super fan of Ladurée. I love these macarons. From all the macarons here in Paris, these ones are my favorite, and one in specific is chocolat noisette. That is my ultimate favorite, and we got it here. And we got chocolat noisette, brown cheese, and what did you choose? Peach, no?
No, pear.
This one is the one of chocolat noisette, and it's to die for. If you are a fan of Nutella or Ferrero Rocher, this one, you're gonna love it. This one. It's pure heaven. If it's your first time in Paris and you don't know where to go to buy macarons, Ladurée is one of the best options.
We are now next to Pierre Hermé. Pierre Hermé is one of the best pâtissiers in all France, and he is specialized in macarons. So this one, I wanted to take one similar of Ladurée to compare the taste. So Ladurée was chocolat noisette, this one is chocolat, chocolate, and vanilla from Madagascar. So Pierre Hermé has more sophisticated flavor than Ladurée, even if Ladurée is classic but extremely good. This one, let's see. I don't remember the last time I took this one, so. Wow. The chocolate is very strong. Oh, it's very good. Definitely, it's more exotic than Ladurée. It's very strong. It's very strong. I really like it too. For now, I can't say which one I prefer. It's very different, so if you can try both, Ladurée and Pierre Hermé, well, this is what I suggest to you.
This one is praline noisette.
Nuts? No?
Yeah, nuts. Let's see.
Wait. I have to try now. Wow.
Right? Extremely good.
So right now we are in Café Pushkin, just behind me. This is the first time we come here. I absolutely don't know the macaron, so I took one called chocolate, very simple. Let's see. You have some people, like you actually, Cynthia, that like simple flavor, chocolate. This one is pure chocolate. It's just chocolate in the mouth. It's very good. I think this is the magic of patisserie. None of the places are similar. For now we tried 3 different places and none of them are similar. One thing that I want to say, this place behind me, Café Pushkin, you have to go inside. It is extremely beautiful. The place is magical. Sit down here. Take 4 macarons, coffee, the sun like that. Perfect. And as you know, well, Cynthia, as you know, I love cheesecake, so I took macaron of cheesecake macaron. That's wow. Mamma mia, Cynthia.
Are you gonna share?
No, again, I come back to the same conclusion. We can compare. I can't say which one is the best for now. I can't. This one, macaron of cheesecake. So good. And now, last place we're gonna try, Fauchon. Ooh.
We are at the Village Royale and look behind us. I mean, we couldn't find a perfect spot. It's obviously temporary, but they always have amazing decorations. Even for Christmas, you should come and visit. But going back to the macaron, we bought in Fauchon and we couldn't stay there because they didn't want us to film, which I don't know why, but anyway, the service was rude and we decided to just eat them outside. And we are trying the noisette. They don't have chocolate noisette, but kind of similar noisette. Let's see. It's pretty good. Pretty good. It almost tastes the similar. It's so similar to the one of Ladurée. It means a little bit more chocolate, but because it doesn't have, but it's so good. It's a perfect how you say option if you want noisette, if you like Nutella. This is it. We are totally full of macarons. Like, I think it's the first day we eat so many.
Not that much actually. Not even 5.
Well, one time, fun fact, he ate 50 macarons in 5 hours.
But it was free.
Well, homemade. Like, I made them for us. He ended up finishing the whole box.
So babe, which one did you prefer?
I can't even choose. I swear I would never imagine that 4 places, different places,
different flavors.
Yeah, would be amazing. All of them.
All of them. Honestly, I can choose. I was very surprised by the cheesecake macaron in Café Pushkin. That it was, wow, it was, I don't have the words.
They have unique differences, but after all, you don't need to compare. Honestly, wherever you go, you just try and they're gonna be amazing. Leave in the comments down below which one have you tried or which one would you try, which one was your favorite. We really would love to know that.
Stay tuned guys, many videos are coming now. Les amis, à bientôt. Say à bientôt.
À bientôt.
Ah, parfait.
Merci.